Make Space by KP, a boat building and woodworking channel.
Welcome back, friends. In this week's video, we're going to do a walk around the exterior of Heron. I acquired Heron while getting ready to launch Arabella. We have a lot of stripping, varnish, and paint. Let's go check out the seams here. Oh yeah. That needs to be redone. Seam compound is definitely toast. Let's see about the caulking. It's just so pretty though. You can see the mahogany planks. Not much bottom paint though. Neither good or bad, it's just an observation. It actually looks worse than it is. Dampness there, but it's all copper. See the copper on the bottom? Looks pretty solid. A lot of work has been done to this boat already. Oh, buddy, did you forget it was me? No surprise that the paint needs work, but we'll see how the bungs and seams look when we dig a little further. Not today, but in the near future. Let's see. Our tow rail needs to be stripped. Actually, all the varnish needs to be stripped and revarnished. But luckily, we're at the point of it's aesthetic work. If it were any more years, it would be structural. But maintaining the paint and the varnish will help the structural integrity of the wood over time, so that's where we're at. Hopefully it's only as deep as that, but we shall see. More varnish needs to be stripped. A lot of neglected varnish, but that's okay. Takes a long time, but it's not rotten under there.
There's a lot of work to do, Gus. Yeah. Are you ready?
Oh, the things you could find in there, kitten. Or down there. Welcome to Heron. The decks look good, luckily. I don't see a lot of cracking. They've been glassed fairly recently. But as you see, the varnish is going to be a lot of work. Heron is currently kind of tucked back in the woods, as you see all these beautiful trees starting to lose their leaves, which makes a water source a little difficult. Look at those beautiful bronze dorades, the bronze port lights, bronze stanchions, which have then been reinforced over time with stainless, which I feel fine about. That's good. Hi. There's a bee. I feel like it's a good luck sign. Oh, there it goes. There's the stem post, bow roller, bracket for the furler, the pulpit. Pretty stable. All of that looks to be surface rust, which means it will come off. When I scrub it up, if it's still rusty, then we have some bigger problems. But those actually look pretty good. Lifelines, those likely need to be replaced, but first things first. First priority is hiring Spider Augustus here. He hasn't found any live pests, but assures us there's a lot to clean up. But he won't help. Thanks, Ed and Peter, for clearing out all the growth. This boat has been covered at some point because all of this plastic webbing held down the shrink wrap cover. So that's good. It hasn't been exposed for 4 years.
Done.
Great.
Looks better.
Yep, every step of the way.
Now what?
Better and better and better.
Ooh.
You can wet these edges if you want with me.
Should I clean these bars?
No, we really need to clean all the gunk from around all the edges. I just wanted to clear these scuppers so it will drain better, so everything won't back up like it had been. We throw these away after one use. That is
What after one use?
the masks.
Oh, yeah. I'm hoping I'm helping a little.
You're helping a ton. Everybody's helping. This is amazing.
Maybe we can repaint this.
We will. It's varnished, so yes, it will get revarnished.
Yeah, that's dirty. We'll be tired after a day of this.
I think we'll all be tired.
What is this bar for again?
That bar is a frame for, there's a special canvas cover called a Dodger, and it goes over.
Is that why this is a double bar? So you can like stretch it open.
Yeah, it opens up. It's like a soft roof to provide covering from the sun and rain and wind and.
What can we do when it rains on the boat?
Put our raincoats on. Well, no, we won't get wet. We'll put our raincoats on and we'll.
No, not like when we're sailing. It won't go inside the boat.
We'll close the hatches. But clearly not today. Today is all emptying and cleaning. Sometimes things have to get messier before they get cleaner. Trash day. So, now that we have a bucket of water, we can also use it as a bucket to put stuff in there that needs to be clean and rinsed, such as this stuff. I missed entirely. Oh wow, that was a bad start. Cleaned up. The bilge is down there, but this covers the bilge so you can have the storage in the cockpit. It's very fancy. Next.
Why is there water leaking from the boat?
Because I dumped water out in the cockpit where it should be draining, so that's actually a good sign. Decidedly not the fun volunteer part. This is just the gross part. Those drawers are a lot cleaner, but they still look pretty gross. sun does wonders. I'll leave them in the sun.
Spider the hunter here has been busy but has not found anything alive.
Plumbing looks pretty good. You can see the pink in the hoses. That pink is antifreeze, so this has been winterized properly. That's a good sign. Obviously it's been a mouse haven, but looks like it's been dry, it's painted. Obviously the paint has been starting to lift, but it superficially looks pretty good. That hose looks old, but that's not a huge deal. And that is the push pit. There's a bracket for the outboard, for the dinghy. Oh, when in doubt,
Throw it out.
no, throw it in the cockpit and I will sift through it.
Throw it out.
I disagree, respectfully.
Has to be on it before it gets thrown out.
Put it in the cockpit.
I vote 5 mouse poop.
Put it in the cockpit.
I don't want to move mouse poop.
Oh, golly.
If it's a textile and a mouse made a house in it, away it goes. Actually, I need a garbage bag.
I thought I just gave you one.
No, you gave me gloves.
No, I have it here ready. Yeah.
When in doubt,
Put it in the cockpit.
throw it out.
That's not how it goes. This goes, put it
is
in.
really bad.
But those are belts.
Oh, gross. When in
These
doubt,
are perfectly good belts.
I'm in doubt.
With a perfectly good impeller attached.
What's an impeller?
We're gonna put it in the cockpit.
What's an impeller?
We're not gonna throw it out yet.
What's an impeller?
It goes in a pump and it helps pump. These are sail ties. These are in perfectly good condition.
When in doubt,
Put it in the cockpit. That's
Is
the
this
bucket
ours?
we brought. Yeah, that's ours.
Is that a clean toilet brush?
It is. That toilet brush has only been used for bottle clean out. Oh, this might even work. It does.
Oh God, it's so corroded.
It
Throw
works. Look.
out. I'm in doubt.
No, look. It's.
When in doubt, throw it out.
See? Look, I lit a fire with it. There. It's. Oh, good
Oh God,
stuff.
it smells like marshmallow.
Well, I just lit a fire with a torch because I didn't throw it out and it worked beautifully. And look at all these fasteners. We're not throwing any of those out. This 4200, oh, golly, we might have to throw this out though.
Throw it out.
No, it's still good. Keeping
I'm in
it.
doubt. Throw it out.
Keeping it. Okay, we can throw this rag away that has mouse poop in it. Okay. Oh, this is a super useful clamp and it still works mostly. You're the best, honey.
You're lucky this isn't my first dead mouse rodeo.
Clearly, because you're handling it better than I.
The dead mice are fine. It's the live ones that are the problem.
Oh gosh. Whoa, look at this. Doesn't work yet, but it will. It's a 2 million candle power rechargeable light.
Throw it out.
No way! There's even a plug that probably goes to it. Hey, boom.
Don't throw out the boom.
No. This adapter. Okay, fine. I will throw this adapter out. It's been chewed down to the wires. What's this? It was a 12-volt cord, but the tag has been chewed. The 12-volt cord is to sea light. Oh, searchlight maybe. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, exposed cords.
When in doubt, throw it out.
No. We'll have to come back to that puppy. All right. I have 2 hands full of things I'm throwing out. I'd like to announce. The 99 cents is not the point. Trash bag number 2. Yeah, this is not our final cleaning to inhabit the boat. Not even close.
There's so much more to come and we'd love it if you joined us. Thanks. Do 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 do. I haven't figured out how to do music yet, so that's what you get. If you like what you see, head on over to our Patreon page. We're posting stuff all the time. We can nerd out on Alden designs and winches and throttle cables and the motor for that matter. There's so much more to come, and we truly couldn't do it without you. So thank you for your support and hope you stick around. Bye now. Dun 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 dun.